Being able to get around in your documents in Illustrator by zooming in and out and moving between artboards will make it much easier to create and edit your artwork. So to get more comfortable with navigating in your documents, you'll explore how to zoom in a document, and then you'll learn how to move or pan in the document window. You can open one of your own Illustrator files or this file from the practice files for this tutorial. Now when you work in Illustrator, your content is on artboards. An artboard in Illustrator is similar to a page in Microsoft Word or Adobe InDesign. In this particular document, you'll see a series of artboards. You can have a lot of artboards in one document, and they can also be different sizes, maybe to design a postcard and a poster for the same client in a single document, which makes it easier to share assets and colors and different things across the different pieces you're creating. The first thing you'll do is select some artwork. So select the selection tool in the Tools panel on the left, and click on Artwork in this artboard. Once you do that, you should see a subtle black line around this particular artboard. That line tells you it's the active artboard, or the one that you're currently working on. To fit the active artboard in the document window, choose View, Fit Artboard in Window. This can help you focus on a particular artboard in your document. Now, suppose you're working on content on this artboard, and then you realize you need to edit artwork on another artboard. You can do that by panning or dragging within the document window with the hand tool. So in the Tools panel on the left, press and hold on the Zoom tool and select the hand tool. Press and drag in the document window to move around. It's kind of like moving a piece of paper on your desk, but digitally. To see all the artboards and the artwork again, you can choose View, Fit All in Window. When working with more detailed artwork, sometimes you want to zoom in or make things appear larger. You can do this several ways. We'll begin by using the Zoom tool. First, let's make sure that nothing is selected. To do that, choose Select, Deselect. To select the Zoom tool in the Tools panel on the left, press and hold on the hand tool and select the Zoom tool. Then come out into the document window, and to zoom in, click once. Where you clicked is now in the center of the document window. Try clicking a few more times to zoom in closely. Now in the lower left corner, you should see this View menu. This is where you can see the current zoom level and also choose a different zoom level, all the way up to 64,000% to zoom in really closely to detailed artwork. From this menu, choose 100% if it isn't already selected, so you can see the artwork at 100% of its original size. Now to zoom out, which makes your artwork appear smaller so you can see more content at once, with the Zoom tool selected, press the Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows. You should see a minus sign in the Zoom tool now. Click a few times to zoom out. Eventually, if you click enough times, you'll zoom out far enough to see everything. When you're finished, you can release the key. You can also use the View menu to zoom. Select the selection tool again and click to select this logo. To zoom into the logo, choose View, Zoom In. It's just like clicking with the Zoom tool right on that logo. It's zooming in by a certain amount and centering the logo in the document window. Okay, so that you can see everything in your document again, choose View, Fit All in Window. Being able to navigate your documents by panning and zooming will be really important when you're working in Illustrator. It'll allow you to see more detailed artwork up close, for instance, or even take a step back to view the entire document.